Hey guys, welcome to today's video. I'm Sarah. This is No BS Beauty. Feel free to subscribe, or please subscribe to my channel. Like and share the video and leave your thoughts below. So today I thought I'd talk about supplements for your skin. And man, if there's one thing I love, it's a good supplement. There's so many nice options to help your skin look great, feel great, and to protect it as well. And many of these are pretty affordable too. So it's very nice to have so many alternatives. Although I will say it's a little over the top. In some of them you don't need. And I also want to say consult your doctor before starting any of these. You just don't know if something will interact with if you're on another medication or have any issues. So that's always something important. And a lot of it will go down the drain, literally. So a lot of supplements that are focused on just biotin and keratin, I'm not in love with those. And certain supplements that contain a high amount of biotin can actually interact with healthcare tests. Like if you're having a heart attack, it could give inaccurate results. So that's why it's important to have your doctor check everything out. So that being said, I've got 5 supplements that I recommend checking out that are worth it, in my opinion. So the first up is Heliocare, or any supplement with polypodium leucotomas. It's a great antioxidant. It helps protect your skin from sun and UV damage. I take this every single morning. I've been taking it now for probably, I want to say, maybe close to a decade. Is that possible? Something like that. So it's really wonderful. It really helps protect your skin. There's no harsh side effects to it. It's pretty affordable. I'll link to it below, so check out all the links. But this stuff is really nice. The serving size of this is two, and this version contains niacin, as well as the fern block, which is what Heliocare trademark polypodium leucotomas has. So yeah, this one I just trust because I've been using it for so long, no issues or anything. So yeah, and the pills, the capsules for these are not large. Pills, capsules. Oh, I dropped it on the floor. Oh no, hang on. Okay, here's another one. So here's about the size of that one. It's not terribly big. So yeah, you can easily take that, no issues. And I just take it in the morning. So yeah, that's, in my opinion, the best way to do it. So, okay, next up is the Life Extension Skin Restoring Ceramides. This stuff is pretty nice. So it helps improve skin hydration. If you have dry skin or skin that's dehydrated, some studies show that ceramides may help with preventing that, as well as helping prevent in slow transepidermal water loss. So this one's got glycolipids, phytoceramides, and glycoceramides. And it's got a small size, not too terribly big, but you can definitely see the ceramides in there. Yeah, so really nice. You can also take certain ones with hyaluronic acid. It may help with your skin hydration as well as joints and things like that. So yeah, so this stuff is pretty nice. Okay, next up is Zhou Glowfluence supplement. So this one's an antioxidant combination. It's got vitamin C, ascorbic acid, which is great for your skin, your health, your immune system. Hyaluronic acid, I just kind of mentioned that. Grapefruit extract and rosemary extract. And I take this one in addition to the Heliocare every morning. And yeah, no issues at all. It's got, so how many supplements size? 1 capsule. So 1 capsule has 20% of vitamin C along with hyaluronic acid. And yeah, so this one's a little bit bigger, but still not terrible. I've taken some supplements that are really big, and it's not enjoyable at all. Sometimes they get stuck in your throat, not fun at all. So this one's nice. It's at iHerb. I'll link to this below. I think iHerb will have all kinds of sales going on, so it's worth checking out. And then next up is the Codeage Liposomal Glutathione, and this one is also from iHerb. I subscribe to a lab, so it's kind of, they take members and then they use that money from your membership to fund testing on these supplements to find out, you know, does this supplement actually have what's advertised in it? What is the price per, you know, milligram of product? And are there any, sometimes they test for impurities and things like that. So that's kind of how I've picked these out that I like from that website. So yeah, so if, typically like GNC had a creatine supplement that did very well. That's what I'm taking now. I finished my last bottle. Now I'm waiting for it on Amazon. But yeah, so that's kind of some of these, since they seem random, they are brands I just trust. So this one is Glutathione, which there's some studies that show it may help brighten skin within 6 to 8 weeks of use. And it also provides antioxidant benefits for people with a high stress lifestyle, or people, it mentions people that may drink alcoholic drinks or even smoke. So yeah, so there's not a ton of research, but if you have hyperpigmentation or melasma, glutathione seems to be a supplement that may help with it. I've been using it now, and I will show you the size of these. They're a little bit bigger, and the last one, yeah. Okay. Actually, these are pretty close to the Zhou Glowfluence. They're pretty close in size. So if you don't necessarily have any hyperpigmentation or melasma or dark spots, I don't necessarily think you might need glutathione, but if you do, I think it's worth a try. Yeah, it's worth a try, but definitely ask your doctor first. And I don't necessarily think I would take all of these all at once. If you decide to start a supplement, start them slow, just like you introduce skincare products into your routine. You wouldn't introduce 12 new products on one day, because if one of them doesn't work, you're not going to know which one it is. So yeah, so I like to point that out. And then last time, yeah, one runner-up is the Life Extension Hair, Skin, Nails Collagen Plus. Promotes hair thickening, nail strength. It also contains something I'm a big fan, which is collagen peptides, which may help with skin elasticity. This one does contain biotin, so I want to mention that because it does contain a huge amount. So that's something that's very important to be aware of and let your doctor know. But it also has the collagen peptides, kind of what I'm looking for in there. Or vital proteins. This is kind of my runner-up. It says it's unflavored. This is my repurchase of it. It does have a flavor. If you mix it with plain water, it doesn't taste great, but they do have like a lemonade flavor. They've got tons of different options. They've got, I think they've now got protein shakes as well. If you go to Target or Walmart, check them out. They've got those. So that's kind of what I'm interested in trying from them next. But so this one specifically for hair, skin, and nails. It's got a little bit of protein in it, vitamin C, which is very important, collagen peptides, bioactive collagen peptides, hyaluronic acid, and then I think it's melon. So yeah, melon. Yeah, watermelon. No, what's the other melon? Cantaloupe. Cantaloupe is supposed to be one of the best fruits for you, along with blueberries. So, but yeah, so this is a nice one. My newest tub of it. But yeah, it's unflavored. You don't want to drink with plain water because it kind of tastes bad. If you mix it in with something else, you won't notice it. But if you mix it in with plain water, it does have a flavor, and it's not very tasty. So yeah. So anyway, these are some supplements. In my opinion, if you are out in the sun at all, I really think the Heliocare is the #1 most important one. And then if you're aging, I think the collagen peptides can help with your skin as well as joints, and help your skin stay elastic and help your joints and tendons and things like that. So yeah, so those are my current favorite supplements. There's always some great ones out there, but for aging, I think the Heliocare is probably the most important. So anyway, I'm curious if you guys have tried any or have any favorite supplements. Leave a comment with them. Thanks so much, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye, guys.